Hi, everyone. Today we're going to walk you through the process of publishing a website in MailerLite. If you're new to MailerLite, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow the steps with us. First, click on Sites. Next, on the right side, click on Create Site. Then click on Website, give your website a name, and click Continue. Choose a group for your website and click Continue. After that, select a template to design your website. When you're done designing your site, click Save as Draft. After that, the website settings interface will open. Set up your website settings and then click Save and Continue. That's it. Your website is ready. I hope you found this video helpful. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.